Hello learners, now I'm going to explain how to write where condition in the SQL query. The where clause is used to filter records. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. So now I will get the top 1000 records from the location table like this. Then you can see there are different location names and I need to filter where name equal to uh, let's say paint shop. Then to filter those records you have to edit your select query like this. You have to append where condition, then name equal, you have to put single quotation because it is varchar column, paint shop. So when I'm executing this one, you can see it has only one record. So using where condition you can filter your data according to the filter criteria. Thank you.